How to contact PNC customer support from the app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need help fast related to your PNC account, well, in this video I'll show you how to contact PNC customer support right from the app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the PNC Mobile app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the menu icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, from the menu, you can simply scroll down and tap on Contact Us option. And there, you can call, send a secure message, or use virtual support according to your needs, and that's it. That's how you can contact or access to PNC support in just a few taps. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.